Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chocolate and caramel Basque cheesecake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your cream cheese, which is at room temperature. Then add in the sugar and mix on a low to medium speed to start with. Then once it's combined, mix on a medium high speed and mix until the mixture is lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. You're not looking for like you would with a cake batter, but just around that light and fluffy mark. Then you can go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, and then repeat the process until all of the eggs have been fully incorporated. You can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then add in the vanilla extract followed by the flour, then mix this on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium high speed until everything is fully incorporated, being careful not to over mix the flour that you've just added. You can then go ahead and pour in the cream steadily. While you're mixing, do it all at the same time. Then go ahead and mix until the cream is fully incorporated. Once it's fully incorporated, you should notice the consistency is a little thicker. This is what you're looking for. Then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in. Then split the mixture between two bowls, and you'll want to split it because you'll flavour half chocolate and half caramel. So into the one half add in cocoa powder and mix until it's fully incorporated. It will give it the chocolate look and flavour without affecting the quality too much or the quantity. Then go ahead into the other half and add in your caramel. You may think that's not a lot, but trust me, a little goes a long way. Mix it in until it's fully incorporated, and it should take on a more beige colour like this. That's what you're looking for. Grab yourself a cake tin which has been lined with some parchment paper, then pour in your caramel Basque cheesecake mixture to start with, and then top that with a small amount of the chocolate, and keep alternating until you have got none left. Jiggle it a little bit if you don't feel like it's spreading too well, but repeat the process and trust me, you will get like a zigzaggy kind of zebra pattern on the inside of this cheesecake once it's baked. But you need to do it this way, otherwise it won't really work any other way. But again, just trust the process and repeat the process until you have got none left. Once you've got this done, you can then go ahead and place this into the oven. I will leave all that, the times, temperatures and everything else you need to know in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. So the following day, after it had been chilled in the fridge, I removed the Basque cheesecake and pulled the paper from on the sides. Luckily this time it didn't break too much. Sometimes that happens with Basque cheesecakes. You can then go ahead and cut it into as many or as few pieces as you would like. I went with 8 generous portions, and that was very, very generous and very rich. This is a very rich bake, so you don't need a lot in one go, but feel free to cut it into more or less. That's really up to you, but I found 8 was perfect. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.